Neurofit app AI review, 7 crucial things you need to know. Best just released AI software. Neurofit app is one of the most exciting AI software releases of the year. If you've been looking for a cutting-edge tool that's designed to optimize cognitive performance, improve mental well-being, and elevate productivity, stick around. This review will reveal 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into it. First off, if you're curious to see what Neurofit has to offer, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link below. Now, let's break down why this app is creating such a buzz. Neurofit uses advanced AI technology to track and analyze your brain's activity patterns, helping you understand your cognitive state better than ever. The first thing that stands out is how it personalizes its recommendations. Unlike one-size-fits-all apps, Neurofit tailors its advice specifically to your brain, adjusting its activities to optimize your mental performance based on real-time data. It's almost like having a personal trainer for your brain. One of the biggest selling points is the app's deep learning capabilities. Neurofit doesn't just track your performance, it adapts to you over time, improving the accuracy of its insights as you continue to use it. So, whether you're someone looking to boost focus, reduce stress, or improve memory, this app becomes more efficient as you use it. Next, the design. While the back end is packed with advanced AI tech, the front end is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using Neurofit. The app guides you through everything, from setting it up to understanding the results. This ease of use is a huge plus for anyone who's not keen on complicated interfaces. The AI-powered brain exercises are a standout feature. These exercises are scientifically designed to challenge your mind, improve cognitive function, and keep you mentally sharp. Neurofit's exercises range from quick daily brain boosts to longer, more intense challenges, all of which are tracked and analyzed for maximum benefit. If you're worried about privacy, Neurofit has you covered. The app prioritizes security by encrypting all personal data, ensuring that your information remains private while benefiting from the AI's insights. This level of security gives users confidence that their mental health data is in safe hands. Now, let's talk about its performance. Neurofit works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop, syncing your progress across devices. You can easily track improvements, monitor mental clarity, and adjust your routine to optimize results. This cross-platform feature makes it accessible for anyone, no matter where you are or which device you're using. Neurofit's AI also continuously analyzes your behavior patterns, learning what works best for your brain. Over time, you'll receive more effective recommendations, ensuring that you're constantly improving. The app's adaptability to different cognitive needs is what sets it apart from other mental wellness tools out there. Lastly, the community aspect. Neurofit isn't just an app, it's a platform. Users can join groups, share progress, and even compete in challenges with others. This adds an extra layer of motivation and accountability, ensuring you stay engaged and continue working on your mental fitness. If you're looking for an app that combines AI with cognitive enhancement, Neurofit is certainly one to try. You can test it out for free by clicking the link below. Don't miss your chance to experience one of the most revolutionary tools in the mental wellness space. Finally, after testing thousands of AI software, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations for you in the description below. Be sure to check them out if you're looking for other tools that can supercharge your productivity and mental well-being.